Over this semester, I have been able to learn so much and display it all in this professional portfolio. Starting off with the most proud page that I made was the Web 2.0 Tools for Communication and Collaboration. This was my favorite because I tried really hard on it and I feel like I learned a lot about things I can do as a teacher. One of those things being Padlet. I never realized how amazing Padlet was, and I was able to make the best lesson from it, which was really awesome to know as a teacher. My biggest challenge was the online and blended learning page. I learned that I am not as artistic as I thought, so I did some research and found stuff that I thought would be good and learned how to work through it. But my best lesson idea would have to be this lesson. I really like how hands-on and engaging it was, and it was mainly active learning, which I enjoyed and made me want to do it in the future because I felt like there would be big success with my students. One thing that I learned this semester was to make sure that my teaching style is less on the teacher-led and more on the student-led, because that leads to more interaction and engagement, which I believe will help the students in the long run meet their goal. Thank you.